Very good evening, everyone. So my name is MD Shahbaz Khan. Yesterday, I have uploaded one video, one episode about how you can give your introduction. So I hope you guys understood. So many things I did not share over there because no need to mug up anything, no need to go through the things whatever I have shared. Try to make your own. So today, basically, what I would like to talk about today, today I would like to share with you something that like many people they are learning English from different classes. So whenever they get a topic or to prepare, so they are not able to prepare in a good way. Like, not I'm talking about each and everyone, but most of the people they are struggling a lot to prepare on a topic. So today I would like to share with you because being a trainer, being an English spoken teacher, I taught a lot of people in my life. So I learned only the practical things, what you have to use in your life to get command over the language, and the right way to prepare on any topic. Most of the people what they do, whenever they have a topic, they try to search on the internet, and same thing they imitate from the internet. So that is not good, my dear friends. For example, if you have a topic about English language, right? So do not try to, no, you can take hints from the internet as well as on YouTube. So that is very good, just taking hints. Whenever you search about English language, so you have not to imitate anything from the internet. So what is my point of view for you guys, that whenever you have a topic, try to think about you, that try to think inside your mind. Like, for example, if I'm talk about English language, so like topic is about your English language, so why is English important for everyone? Try to know the reality, try to know the real things, what exactly the thing is going on with us. Guys, for example, if I have a topic and I would like to discuss without any preparation, so first I need to think. Because I had a lot, I given a lot of time in a different country in Saudi Arabia. So I noticed one thing, like people, they didn't have they didn't command over the language, English language. So they had to suffer a lot, they had to suffer a lot during the days when I was there, when I was around. But I'm the one over there, like I knew how to speak English. So I handled so many customer. Basically, I was working in the hospitality industry earlier. So I have noticed, like, customer they come, they know only Arabic language, but I didn't know how to speak Arabic language. So what the language we can use to communicate with each other. So there is a definitely English language. So this kind of thing, what I'm talking about, what exactly I mean to say, just I am talking about the reality, what I faced, what the people they are facing, what the people they are struggling. Do not try to mug up, do not try to copy any from anywhere, just say the reality. So okay, like, English language. So second thing, like, I was in Saudi, so I felt like, I didn't know, like, I knew how to speak English, so that's why I didn't feel very insulting in front of those people. So definitely, like, those who are from Saudi, they cannot speak with us in Hindi language, right? So why we should command over the language? Because English is a global language. If you go any country, anywhere, so there will be a lot of requirement of English language. Even in India I'm talking about, because in this time English is a mandatory for everyone. Otherwise you won't be able to get a better job. So if you call any offices, they will not talk to you Hindi. Most of the biggest, any large company, most of the biggest office I'm talking about, those who are famous in India, those who are working in a right place, those who are giving a good salary to the employee. So definitely they will not understand. They will not prefer to talk in a Hindi language. So definitely there will be requirement of the English language. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Like, English is very important for what that I have given a lot of things to you to understand in a proper way. And the second thing what I'm talking about, for example, if you use your mobile phone, right? If you use your mobile phone, so in mobile phone definitely all the things you will find only English. Whatever the thing will be written over there, it will be in English only. For example, if you operate the laptop or if you operate the computer, so without having good command over the language, without understanding the English language, how you will understand that? So the way what I am talking about, the way I am talking on a topic, I did not mug up anything, I did not write anything on any notebook, just the reality I'm sharing with you. Okay, apart from that, I'm just trying to go in a deeper way, I'm just trying to give you more definition, more explanation about English language. So like for example, people, like if you want to do a course like safety officer course, the short period of time courses I'm talking about, short duration of course I'm talking about. Like for example, if you want to go to the Gulf country, right? So if you want to go to Gulf country, so definitely without a good preparation, you will not go there. If you go there, so definitely you will get selected as a labor, as a lower category job people, not as an educated person, not at a good position, not at a good position. So in that situation, what you have to think, like before going to the Saudi Arabia or before going any Middle East or any Europe countries, definitely you will go for a you will go to do a course, any short term course like safety officer course, like QC engineer course, like any course I'm talking about. So think about, my dear friends, in that course there will be required what language? English language, right? If you don't know how to speak English, then how you will complete the course? That is not possible for you. After completing the course, tell me, the client, those who are going to take your interview, is it possible for you to give interview in Hindi language? No, definitely you have to speak, you have to give interview in English language. So these all things I'm going to share with you, that how you can prepare on any topics, right? So these things you have to apply in your life, my dear friends. Do not try to mug up anything. You have to see the reality. You have to see the thing is going on around you. What you are facing, what you are struggling in this time, why English language is becoming a barrier for us. So all the reason you have to find out and try to deliver in front of the people, those who are asking for to speak on a particular topic. So many things, like on only in particular topic, I am capable to speak 24 hours. Trust me, I did not write anything. I did not mug up anything from the internet. So I can understand being a trainer. I can understand you guys may be thinking about me that I am a trainer. So definitely it is very easy for me to speak on any topic 24 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 1 month continuously. Like there will be a break, not talking about like 1 month, this is not possible, nah, this is not possible like 1 month. But I'm talking about like I am a capable to speak in English, like anytime, anywhere, on any topic. Because when I was in learning period, I just noted one thing in my mind. If I want to prepare on any topic, I do not go to on the internet and try to mug up something from there, and trust me, it is not going to work. Try to think try to think, for example, I will give you the different kind of topics to discuss on. I will give you the different topic in every single day. So now I am going to give you the topic about English language. I just want to see you that how you guys are going to prepare on that topic. Also, I have seen one thing while taking the class. For example, earlier I have given a topic about like different topic, different kind of topic I'm talking about. Like if I give a topic to my people, what they do, while seeing the notebook, they speak their topic. That is not good. Only you have to think how you can write, because see, writing is also very important. If you write about any topic, so you will be able to grab over the vocabularies, you will be able to utilize the advanced vocabularies on your topic, and try to add on some advanced vocabularies on your topic. So that will be very good for you. So my main motive was to explain you that if you have any topics, try to think that why the topic is important for me. Try to see the reality, what exactly happened, what the thing is going on just because of this thing. If you try to find out, so definitely your mind will be creative, my dear friend. I never focused on those things. I always focus to give the practical thing. I always try to explain the thing, what I am facing, what I am struggling, what I am noticing the people they are going through. So that was the thing already I have shared with you, and yesterday I have already uploaded a video. And try to watch it and try to understand all the things, what exactly my point is. If you don't understand anything while watching my video, you can drop me directly message on my comment box, and I'll let you know. I'll respond your queries. I'll respond your like whatever the thing you are getting confused about anything. Apart from that guys, every single day I will give you the different topic that how you can prepare. So today the topic I given about the English language and already given a lot of examples out there. So the topic is same for you. Try to make it. Do not try to mug up anything from the internet. Do not try to copy anything from YouTube. Try to make it should be your own, and you can deliver with me. You can share with me directly on my comment box. Thank you very much guys. So if you like this video, you can like, you can subscribe, and you can share video with your family members as well as your friends, so that they can learn something from my video. Thank you very much guys. So I'll keep watching my video, and definitely you're going to get every single day one video. I'll try to give upload one video every single day. Thank you so much. Have a good day guys.